Hi everyone, this is Amelia Bywater and my final presentation is on literacy practitioner Dr. Irene Gaskins. Dr. Gaskins founded the Benchmark School in Media, Pennsylvania in 1970. She was interested in helping children with profound reading difficulties, so she created a nonprofit research laboratory that was designed to help struggling readers while developing and evaluating programs for those struggling readers between the ages of 6 and 14. In collaboration with her Benchmark faculty, she has developed a decoding by analogy program called Benchmark Word Identification. She enjoys being a teacher and building new programs at the Benchmark School. The results of her work have been published in many journals. Dr. Gaskins is the author of 4 books about teaching reading, 7 decoding programs, and 56 children's books that go with a beginning decoding program. She has been a chairperson in the International Reading Association Committee for over 20 years. In 1998, Gaskins was recognized as a distinguished educator by the Reading Teacher. Word identification, also known as word detective, originated out of Dr. Gaskins' research. Students act as a detective to segment keywords into sounds, compare the sounds to letters they see, and then determine which letters match each sound. The goal for the detective is to discover letter-sound matches. Word detectives have 4 phases of word learning. First, pre-alphabetic phase is when students remember a word purely by visual cues. For example, students might remember the word yellow by the 2 tall posts in the middle. Then they might look at the word balloon and also see the 2 tall posts and mistaken it for the word yellow. The second phase is partial alphabetic. Students do not yet use all the letter sound information in the word. They remember and apply a few letter sound matches. For example, students might remember the letter sound matches for only K and N in the word kitten. And then, if they see the word kitchen, they might mistaken it for the word kitten because they only know the first and last letter K and N. Full alphabetic phase is when students remember all the letter sound matches in a word. They can read the word film, and they know the letters and sounds for F, I, L, and M. Consolidated alphabetic phase is when students remember matches between multi-letter units and symbolic units. They might match onset and rhyme units. For example, students might not know the word strike, but they might recognize the onset word strong and the rhyme word like to be able to read the word strike. Dr. Gaskins' beliefs and research would coincide nicely with the theories of Dr. Jean Shaw and Kevin Stanovic. Dr. Gaskins believes phonemic awareness, phonics, comprehension, and motivation are key elements of an effective reading program. Kevin Stanovic and Dr. Shaw would agree that phonemic awareness and phonics are effective elements of a reading program. Stanovic would agree that phonemic awareness is helpful in the development of literacy. Stanovic discovered that quick, context-free word recognition is the outcome of a good reader. Dr. Shaw, a proponent of phonic instruction, stated that her research showed that knowledge of the alphabet and familiarity with the sounds that make up words were crucial. Gaskins would also say that comprehension and motivation are key elements because the Benchmark School is a multidimensional reading program and metacognitive approach that focuses on metacognition, comprehension, word identification, cognitive style, and temperament. Here is a word identification activity that can be done in the classroom. The exercise is called What's in My Head? This promotes segmenting, writing, memorizing, and analyzing key words. The teacher prompts the students with 5 clues to figure out a key word. The students get out a piece of paper and number it 1 through 5. For each of the 5 clues the teacher gives, they write down a key word. Here are what the 5 clues could look like. My word has 3 sounds. My word has 5 letters. It takes 3 letters to represent the vowel sound. My word rhymes with bite, but does not have the same spelling pattern. The blank hand is the one most people use for writing. By the final clue, students usually have discovered the key word is the word write. If you would like to learn more information about Dr. Irene Gaskins or the Benchmark School, here's the website for the Benchmark School and other journal articles. Thanks for watching.